Hey everyone, sorry this took so long, but I finally got around to making a quick demo video to show you how your code for assignment 1 should actually work. What you see on your screen here is the Python shell after I've hit run on sms.py. As you can see, I can now type in commands, and when I hit enter, the commands are executed. Now, creating a student doesn't print anything, but, for example, if I try to create the same student twice, I get an error message printed. Please note that even though this error message is printed, the program does not stop running, and so I can continue to execute commands. Here's a few more examples. I want to enroll David in CSC 148. I also want to enroll David in lowercase CSC 148. And so if I try to list the courses that David is taking, I'll see 2 courses. By the way, notice that the course name should be sorted in alphabetical order according to how Python sorts strings. You really don't need to do anything more complicated here than calling sort on a list of strings. This question has come up a lot, so I'll mention it here. If I do undo, then it'll look at the previous command, which is list courses, and it will quote-unquote undo that command. But because this command only prints something out, and you can't undo something that's already been printed, undo in fact does nothing. However, if I call undo again, now the next command is undone. And this one actually has an effect. So if I do list courses David here, I'll only see the one course. And finally, let me remind you that undo never undoes the same command twice. And what that means is, if I do undo 2, then the first command to be undone is the list courses, which again does nothing. But then the next command to undo is not either of these undos, because you can't undo and undo, but it's also not list courses David or enroll David in CSC 148, because both of these commands have already been undone. Instead, the second command to be undone is this one, enroll David in CSC 148. And so if I list courses David again, I see that David is not taking any courses. Thanks for watching and have a great day.